Ayan po, good morning, good morning, good morning sa ating lahat. Ayan po mga kapatid. Ayan po, meron pa akong i-share sa mga interested po na mga ALS po. LS, ito po yung tinatawag na live show sa mga kasama kong baguhan. So ito po, madali lang po mga kapatid. You have to do is you have to go to the Play Store. You have to download this Lily Live. So this is the one. Check for this one. This is the Lily Live. And then download it. Just wait for a while. It's very, ayan po. I-click ko na po siya. Ayan po yung mangyayari. So, ito po yung top. Ilalagay nyo yung account nyo dito. I-click nyo yung Alejandro. So, this is my account. So, I'm gonna click this. Okay, madali lang to. And then, I'll go here. So, I'll put for the title here. So, I'll gonna change here. So, let's say, let's support each other. Let's support each other. Let's support each other. For example, if this is your title, kung ito yung pamagat nyo po, let's support each other. Ayan po. So, click that. Ayan po. Punta na po kayo dito. Once na click nyo po, punta na po kayo dito sa create. Ayan. Pagdating nyo po dito, ayan, nag-ano na po siya. Just wait for a while. Okay. Once you will come here, makikita nyo po, ito na po yung mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. Ito na po yung link. So, this is www.youtube.com watch RS blah 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 2W. So you have to share this one to your for example to your friends, okay, to WhatsApp, Facebook or any this one. Just share for this one. Para kung simulan niyo po yung ano nyo, yung live niyo po, ito na po, madali na pong hanapin to. Hindi na po sila mahirapan pagpunta sa YouTube so to find out your name there. So guys, very simple po. Ito na po, i-share niyo po siya. Ito na yung link. Okay, share. So put this one share. Pag once na i-share niyo, ayan, i-share nyo po siya. Done na po. And then come here. You have to start now. Okay, so here, you put up to the okay. You have to click this one para ma-record po lahat. Ayan po, ayan, nag-start na po. Ayan po. So, lalabas po siya. Nag-start na po siya. Yung pong example, nasimulan ko na. Nag-start na siya kagad. Pagkatapos so pinatay mo, pag once na pinatay mo, mag-e-end of broadcast po siya. So, yung po yung ginawa ko, nag-end of broadcast ko. So, you have to click this okay. Okay? Sana po naintindihan po natin. Hope is very, my explanation is very clear. So, ayan po. Kung may tanungan nyo po kung hindi nyo po naintindihan, you can ask me anytime. You can contact me. I have my YouTube channel. So I'll just contact me. This is my account, Alejandro Herrera. So that's it for guys. So very simple po. Ayan po. So makikita nyo po yung mga ano dyan. Ayan po yung zero share. Ayan po yung ano niya, likes. At saka yung watch at makikita nyo po lahat yan. Ayan po, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much for your listening and watching. God bless us everyone. Stay safe everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you.